Hello and welcome back to the JForce IT Service Academy once again. This is the lesson 39 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. In lesson 38, we were dealing with how to refer data from the teacher's detail sheet to the teacher's Emis data table without any stress and without any challenge. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you watch all our videos from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends and families to also learn from this valuable and this one and only educative YouTube channel. Don't also forget to check the description of this video for more video links on how to create a school management system, how to make money online, how to do some basic things in ICT online. So please, without wasting much time, let's just get it started and let's continue with what we were doing in lesson 38. So let's scroll to this side and see the number of teachers that we were able to refer their details onto this teacher's detail or this teacher's Emis data table. So we were able to refer 11 teachers details here onto this particular teachers Emis data table here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to continue with the 12th teacher. I'm going to continue and work on the next teacher. So you insert your equal to sign as usual, then we open the teacher's detail sheet, then we click on number 12 here, we hit enter. We should be able to see 12 popping up here without any stress. Okay, so let's scroll. As I said in our previous lesson, let me just undo this action so that I'll do it for everyone to see it once again. So the only thing that you're going to do is to make sure that you place your mouse pointer here, let it appear like the plus sign or let it appear like a cross, then you left click and hold, then drag it to this side of this particular teacher's detail or the teacher's Emis data table. So you leave it like this. So let's check it and see if we are doing the right thing. Please make sure that you take your time and do this so that you don't make any mistake. Good. So we have the details of the 12th teacher appearing there. Now we are going to refer the details of another teacher here. That is going to be the 13th teacher. So you open your teacher's detail sheet, then you select 13 here, you hit enter. We should be able to see 13 appearing here without any challenge. So let's left click and hold, then we drag it to the last end where we see date of first appointment like this. So we have it up and running there, and I hope by now you are familiar with all this that we are doing. I hope by now you can left click and hold, then you drag to a particular destination. So let's just insert our equal to sign like this once again, then we open the teacher's detail sheet here. We are going to the 14th teacher here, so select 14, then you hit enter. Please let's go back and check this thing here. Let's go back. Good, we are on course, we are on the 14th teacher. So let's select it like this, place your mouse pointer on it like this, let it appear like a plus sign or the cross, then you left click and hold, then you drag it to this side here where you see date of first appointment. Please don't cross the signature column or the signature section of the teacher's Emis data table before you release your hand. Alright, so let's insert another equal to sign. We open the teacher's detail sheet, then we go to the 15th teacher, hit enter, then we select it like this. You position your mouse pointer on it, let it appear like the plus sign or let it appear like the cross, then you left click and hold, you drag it to where you see the next date of first appointment. I think we are on course, so let's just check it and see. Good, so we have it up and running there. Now don't forget to save your work, so Ctrl S and save your work. Just press Ctrl S and save your work. If you cannot press Ctrl S, you go through the normal process and save your work. Alright, so let's just insert another equal to sign again, then we open the teacher's detail sheet, then we are going for the 16th teacher. I'm sure we are going for the 16th teacher. So let's check it before we proceed. This is 15, this will be 14, then that one is truly the 16th one. So let's select it like this. Then we make sure that the cursor or the mouse pointer is appearing like the plus sign. Sorry, good. So this is what I'm saying. Please take your time and do it. Don't rush. If you rush, you make mistakes. Alright, so we have it there up and running again. We don't have any problem with that one too. So we insert another equal to sign. We open the teacher's details sheet here. We are going for the 17th teacher, I'm sure. 17th teacher. So let's position the mouse pointer on it like this. Then we make sure that we move it carefully. Move it carefully and move it wisely. Move it with care. Alright, so let's check and see if we are really on course. Okay, so this is 16, then that one 17. So we are on course. So we are moving to the next teacher here. So insert equal to sign. Then we open the teacher's detail sheet here. Then we are going for the 18th teacher like this. So you only have to reselect it like this. Make sure that your mouse pointer or your cursor is appearing like the plus sign or the cross. You left click and hold, then you drag it to the other side, then you leave it. Immediately you leave it, you should be able to see these zeros. And I always tell you that the zeros here are appearing because we don't have any details in the system for this particular teachers. Alright, so because we don't want this video to be long, we don't want these tutorials to be long, we would like to end it here and continue in lesson 40. In lesson 40, we are going to look at some basic settings on this particular Emis data table. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you will be able to receive the notification. Please don't skip any part of this particular course. It's a full course on its own. So thank you very much. Share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Check the description for more videos on how to create a school management system, and check the description for more of our videos on this channel. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 40. Bye bye.